what them numbers looking like. Woo, 644, 567. You ready to act bad, man? Yeah, he's smiling now. He ready, yes sir. Nice and easy peasy, huh, boss man?
Yeah, just another one down.
Another one down in the books, y'all. Y'all see what's going on, man. Turbo 392 Charger. Yeah, it's powder coated, you know what I'm saying, to match them wheels too. Yes, sir. And y'all see that airbrush. You know what I'm saying? What's behind this airbrush, bro?
It's for my dad.
Oh, okay. That's what's up. That's what's up. Everybody got a meaning and everything behind what they do, man. And y'all see, he got his couple accessories and everything too. Satera sauce down. It's act bad time for him, y'all. Y'all see how we moving and grooving, man. Matt over here done glass packed the mini coupe. I like this thing too, man. Let me go ahead and show y'all how this thing moving and grooving. The mini coupe remind me of like the Italian Job or something, you know what I'm saying? Just up to date. But yeah, that's how we moving, man. Then we got the Trackhawk in here, getting full suspension on here as well. Toro, he on lunch now, but I'll go ahead and show y'all a little something of what all he done did, you know, installing all the B Woody kit and everything on there. So, you know, this sexy thing will be on the streets real soon, you know what I'm saying? 800 packaged up. Yes, sir, so y'all know the dyno gonna be on that, but yeah, let's get over here. Let's get over here, cause this is what we gonna have to talk to y'all about. Y'all see the motor out, and I know y'all remember the dyno video of this thing making that 13. Can't leave till he sees 16, so it's time for us to do what we gotta do and sauce this thing up. So full disassembly on this thing going on. Y'all see all this old turbo kit parts and everything. Hey, it's time to get busy, man. So y'all already know. Stay tuned, like, share, subscribe, and let's get to it.
So right now it has non-synthetic oil in it. So what I'm gonna have you do is drive it, put the 500 miles on it, keep me posted. You come back, the first oil change is included, you don't pay for it. We do the oil change, we cut the filter open, make sure everything's good. If that's the case, I mean, your motor is built where we can add some power to it. So the only thing limiting you is going to be your fuel pump, the injectors. With the way it's set up now, we probably can add another 3 or 4 pounds of boost to it, get it kind of right under 10 pounds of boost, and that's where the stock fuel system kind of taps out with the turbo setup like this, which will take it to 750. So we'll just, for braking, this is where you're sitting at right now, nice and pretty. And like I said, it's not even 6 pounds of boost. So to give you an example, a Hellcat makes 10 to 11 pounds of boost, and this is essentially stock Hellcat power with half the boost. So once we add the boost into it, and this is on 93 too, so you don't need E85, you just fill up at 93 like normal, and you're good to go. So if you ever want to turn it up, if we do a fuel system and everything, the injectors that come with the kit are ID 1050, so you're good to about 850 of the wheels on corn. And then if you ever want more, we can keep going. So the motor will take well over 1,000 to the wheels. So kind of everything else around it.
Well, he like that 1,000 number, boy. He like that 1,000 number you just heard. Look, Miles like it too. Yes, sir. Who don't like 1,000 wheels, man? Y'all see him. Beware this thing, man. We don't know if he gonna be on low boost or high boost when he in the streets. But man, go give him a young follow, man. Mandatory. Give him a young follow. Rocking with the movement, man. Put that thing up there first immediately. Y'all know it's about to be act bad time. You got the radar activated, man. We're gonna spin you on over to the Mexico spot. Let you go ahead and feel how I feel when that boost hit. I know you've been ready.
8 months?
I know you've been ready. Get to enjoy it a little bit before, you know what I'm saying, the snow hit at least. It's gonna be all boost weather, so this thing gonna be an animal. I gotta get the gauges in the video too. I ain't even get them gauges. All right, put it back in neutral. You got the transit sport mode?
Not yet.
Okay. What up, gang? Oh, too low. This car about to be a whole nother animal now, bro. We go left. So what type of racing you really do with it? Road racing or dig racing or what?
Dig, usually at the track.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, this thing, you gonna be whomping on them 392s. If you even get a race, you pop the hood, they see that turbo under there, they might back clean down. You got a couple people on deck? Uh-oh, call them out, call them out, call them out on here, call the names out.
Nah, I'm not gonna expose them.
You know, I like to act bad, call them clean out. Nah, just let them catch you in the summertime then and just do what you do to them.
Always.
Man, it's crazy how it got all this power and then how tame it just drive normally, you know what I'm saying, when you're not in boost. It's nuts. I gotta order this.
Amazon.
Oh, I'm ordering that. That's mandatory. I hopped in the first time and saw you make a left at this light right here. Yeah, first time when your car came, I saw that. I'm like, oh yeah, I like that. I'm pretty sure anybody that hop in too, they read it too. You just got them to do it?
Not yet. Not yet.
Well, maybe once you get in boost with this turbo, they ain't gonna have no choice but to, you know what I'm saying? For real. Yeah, these Mopars be such a stout platform, it's crazy. Like just from without doing anything and then doing stuff. Then when we get right there to that, the first left, make that, then once you loop around, you'll be able to do whatever you want to do. So what you got planned next for it? Anything cosmetic or
Nothing I can think of. Probably just leave it how it is.
and enjoy it? Hell yeah. Yeah, I feel you. Just gradually get into the power until you want to convert over and turn it up more and more. That's the way you want to do it. You want to go dead out. Just go crazy. But
Nice and slow.
well, we in Mexico, gang, so y'all know it's act bad time. Yeah, you liking that? Look, he liking that. He liking that. That's what we say. It ain't about the miles per gallon. It's about the smiles per gallon. You feel me?
So it's been, had the thing on E85 for a while, and I was like, oh.
Yeah, yeah. How'd you like it on E compared to how it is now, kinda?
It wasn't too bad. It was, I didn't like having to fill it up every time I took it out.
Oh, okay,
Other than
okay.
that, it was fine.
I don't really trip on it. You know what I'm saying? It's cheaper. You know what I'm saying? It's more healthier for the car too, especially if the tune is adjust to it. You know what I'm saying? So, because I mean, 93 price is probably gonna get to $5 a gallon soon. It get to that, I'm putting the E85 in my Camry. You feel me? Oh boy. This what I call the roller coaster road though. Like, bro, you gonna see it's nothing but like insane hills up and down. You gonna feel it in your stomach. Like if you want to make this the Dukes of Hazzard type whip, this the road to do it on. But I don't think we on that type of time. We chilling, right? Yeah.
Just cruising.
Yeah, man, but definitely when you get out, you gotta send us videos when you know what I'm saying, out in the field doing what you do with it.
Definitely. Put that 500 miles on and go
Yeah.
straight to the drag strip.
Yep, yep. we know how your weekend going. Full gas and riding. I feel you gotta be counting down them 500 miles. Set the odometer and book.
It was like that when I first broke it in. It was like, shit. Line lock unlocks at that.
You're right. You say, let's go. I told you just felt that right there. You see what I'm talking about with that heel? Dude, feel it right in your stomach. It's nuts. I like the powder coating and everything, you know, the color contrast of how you had whipped it up and everything is nice. I like that.
And do something to make myself different from everybody else.
Right. That's the whole thing about cars, you know what I'm saying? Customizing them and everything like that, you know, it's put your own flavor to it. You know, that's when your signature hit the car. Everybody get them basic however they are from the factory, but put your tools and fuels to them, that's what make it differentiate, you know what I'm saying, from everybody else with.
You just got a new one, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Turbos might be on my list this winter too, man. Turbos might be on the list this winter. I'm getting called out left and right by everybody, so it's time to go ahead and crank it up. I'm just, you know, a couple little things done. You can bust left right here. Swing back by the shop. But yeah. Are you street race too? Not really.
Not really.
Yeah, this thing is the turbos is just nuts. You got to get some outside videos too of it. That's when you gonna be going nuts when you hit that blow off valve. Yes, sir. See, this when you catch somebody like him in traffic and just get dead on him. Get clean on him.
Scary.
And then he won't know because you tame too. The turbo got it tame, you know what I'm saying? But once you go watt, it's over with.
Looks stock from the front.
Yep. The intercooler not overly visible like that, you know what I'm saying?
Thomas the radiator.
I'm telling you.
It's oversized.
So you got that Be Cool one. Yes, sir. You had installed these too?
Yeah, I had him do that when I did the 85.
Oh, okay, the first go around.
Just need a boost gauge now.
Yeah. Then it looking all gloomy now too, man. That's the only thing. It's looking gloomy. Hopefully it don't rain for the day.
Hopefully not. I'll say it's like an hour and 15 minutes home.
Oh yeah. Oh, so it might not even be drizzling or none of this your direction.
Hopefully not. But I think it's going that way.
Oh man. Hopefully you're able to get it in and can enjoy a couple miles today. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna hold you up though, man. I don't know if you want to talk anything over with Jay for a second, but you know, love on going on for this ride, and it's time for you to just enjoy it now.
Yeah,
I'm waiting for you to send me footage now. You know what I'm
Go get
saying?
in alignment real quick and we'll be good.
Oh yes, sir. Mandatory. Do that immediately, bro, so you don't have these tires wear out and everything.
Get my steering wheel back to straight.
Yes, sir. You gonna need it, because when that thing get to doing all that,
Yep.
you want it straight. But yeah, man, enjoy, bro. Yes, sir.